Hello everyone and welcome to another how to fix it video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make older consoles like the Nintendo 64, NES, SNES, any console that uses a cartridge for example, how you can get it to start reading the games if you're putting in a game and it's just showing a black screen, as well as having other video issues, maybe the video is scattered, it's flickering, that sort of thing. The reason this happens is if you take the cartridge out of the slot and you have a look inside the contact pins here. In some cases they will be copper contact pins, and over time copper oxidizes, and you might get like a bit of junk in there like dust, dirt, that sort of thing. So basically the problem is the fact that those pins are dirty, and if we clean those pins 99% of the time it actually resolves the problem. So how can you clean those pins without pulling the entire console apart? It's pretty easy. Just grab a game. For example, I've got Star Wars here. Doesn't have to be any specific game. And what we're actually going to do is grab a cotton tip and we're going to soak it in isopropyl alcohol and then clean the pins on the game cartridge itself. And then while it's soaked on the cartridge, we're basically going to insert the game a number of times, and that will hopefully help to sort of create force on those contact pins to push them down, and then the isopropyl alcohol will help to sort of clean the pins on the inside. So for example, just get some isopropyl. I'm just going to put it in this little tube here. I've got a little bit here. Grab a cotton tip, and as you'll see in the start of the video we had no signal. So we're just going to basically clean the pins and then clean the other side as well. I'm just going to soak a little bit more. There we go. So as you can sort of see, it's quite wet in there. Now we don't want to wait for that to dry. What we actually want to do is just insert the game a number of times, creating some force and pushing down on those pins to hopefully free up any of that dirt, any of that grime, or any of that oxidization. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's turn it on and see if we get a video. Excellent, and there we go, we've got video. So this is pretty much sort of a semi-permanent fix. Basically it'll last a long period of time. If you notice that you're still having some issues again, it is worth actually trying to clean the games as well. For example, let's say you have Super Mario 64 and you haven't played that in a year or something. Even those pins can start to very slowly have oxidization, or they could just have dust in there that's preventing the game from sort of reading properly. So it does help to actually clean the game cartridges themselves, and then you won't really have to worry about it that much in the future. So look, if this video helped you out, please like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future videos like this, where we also try to fix consoles with problems. Thanks again.